Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today we're doing Warp Miniature Digital Workshop. So this one, it's also D&D, but they do old school style D&D. Like I'm painting some old school ones right here as well. But you can see that on the shorts for those as well. They got some old school orcs that I did like a lot. Let's see, weekly official miniatures. So we have Thiefling. Don't know what the hell that is. That's some kind of a knight. That looks like a flesh golem. A probably a hobgoblin of some sort. And we have a goblin. Oh, they're going by the comics. I see. So I'm guessing this guy's a cleric or a spellcaster. So they made something like a cleric for a comic out of it. So that's actually pretty cool. So if you guys know about this comic, please let me know because I have no idea about this comic at all. Eyeballs reprint test during August. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Because yeah, I like the old school orc looking thing. Station Forge, Warhammer proxies. So we have every other day they got new ones out. So they have like a lot of stuff out by the end of the month. So you have some Tyranids. Looks like a hive lord, and we have another one of Imperials. I think these are infantries. That just mechanics for this. Oh, she's pretty good. Looks like a little one of those those sand dune people from Star Wars. And we have leather Imperials as well. These would be pretty good to have. I have a lot of them. I need to finish it with my making of a kill team. So that's July. See how much stuff they have for July. So they haven't released all the stuff for August yet, but pretty soon it's gonna be a lot more stuff. So if you're into Warhammer, Age of 8 Warhammer proxies, please go check them out. Puppet War, another Warhammer proxies. They do use a lot of Asian emphasis in it, like they have a samurai space marine or a samurai looking orcs. So this is July, lining up for August lineup. So looks like little mini Robo Metal Godzilla on and a samurai orc boss that's on top of it. That will be kind of cool to paint and just put it on the damn board for that. This is July, so I don't think they have a lot of stuff out for August for it. This is all July. So we'll wait for that. We'll go back to that hopefully by next week. Um, OXO 3D printing. Another figure. We have Laura Croft. This coming out. We have Pura from Legend of Zelda. And I did not get my say. There's one more they gotta do too. Forgot. I already have that. I already have that. I already have that. I already have that. So they already got the August one out already. Nope. 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 Well, I don't know what the August lineup's gonna be. So, hmm. So we got Laura Croft and the lady from Tears of the Kingdom. Zohan, another anime figures for this. I think this is gonna be the welcome pack. Boma, Yor, Kiko, and Makima. August would be Tsunade and Fubuki. So it should be good. Tsunade is hot, but old, but still hot. Wicked. Marvel. They do mostly Marvel, but they also do like special ones towards the end. So we got Bishop. Bishop hasn't got much love. I forgot her name was. Angela, Asgard Assassin. Yeah, Angela. Doesn't look like the one that you see in the what Thor, Love and Thunder. So we got Bishop and Angela. That's gonna be in it. I think that's gonna add more to it. Children of Thanos Black Drama promo pack. So, the Black Hands and Thanos. We want 50 US dollar. And we're also gonna get Miles Morales and Spider Gwen. So that should be interesting. So yeah. So it's gonna be the whole lineup for it. So this will be really cool looking. Alright, Hyperion Studio, another anime figure for this. See, 13 and 14, they haven't started anything yet for the anime figure. So I might check them out later on. They're very slow on their stuff. Mayo Studio, another anime figure. I think we are getting Asuna next. And there should be one more model after that. We already got Shampoo. We already got her. Usually they have like a lot of stuff that's coming up for August. DM Stash, D&D figures. The very good ones as well. So we got like a dragon turtle on land. Will I vape? So we'll look at these individually. The Escalar Excursion Part 2 Orcs. I just want the minis. I'm a mini junkie guy. So we have a War Beast. You have a Aeromancer. Freaking. You can actually do like Avatar Last Airbender if you really want to do. Gaza the Arrow Wolf Proof Orc War Boss. Bruce the Basher. Second in charge. Fourth in Eglint. Arrowproof Orc Boss. You got Gobs of War. Some weird looking goblins, but there's your goblins. There are like different types of goblins too. They also paint them in different skin colors to have different tribes and different race of goblins. And there's different race of orcs as well. Ivory Bard. Serpent Folk Assassin. And you have your terrain pieces for that. 3D Moon. I think it's another figure. You got very good figure ones as well. So it's Shiva, Spider Gwen. I forgot that girl from Jubilee. Holy shit, they're working on Jubilee. Sekko Render Test from High School of the Dead. That looks actually pretty good. Shiva. Shiva looks awesome as well. And Vice Render Test. Where are you from? I feel like I've seen you before. But yeah. And we have Spider Gwen. With the mask and without the mask. I think I should put an LED light if you do it clear and stuff, and put a battery pack underneath it. So this should be very interesting. That'll be kind of cool. I haven't seen Jubilee in a long time, since the original X-Men cartoon. And this will be the last one of for the Patreon for the video, making Talon. And for this, they're doing Dwarven Halls. So here is your stuff, the big hall, the throne, and the statues, Dwarven statues. I do need a lot of Dwarven statues. So this is probably going to be take a lot of time just to print and make, because I don't want them to just, because I have to make an actual board for this and put it in, and it's going to be like a 1 to 2 time use. That's a problem with a lot of the terrain pieces as well. So I have to figure out a way to cut these in 6 pieces on just the floor alone, magnetize it, and put the walls however I want to. They do have clips for it, but over time those clips will break. So yeah. So these look very, very good and very awesome. So this is going to be very interesting to do because this is one of the projects I want to do. It's just that I need like two more 3D printers and I just need about 100 bottles of resin to do a lot of these projects because I don't really have the money for that right now. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below on the links. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.